National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for east central Boone County and north central Illinois, northwestern McHenry County and northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Timberlane or near Belvedere, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cape Breton around 7:05 p.m. Harvard around 7:15 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.